Yo, I'm really excited right now. I got a huge package waiting for me at Old Dominion. I'm on my way to go pick it up right now. It's something I'm going to be using for the trip that I have planned, and really I'm going to be using it for a lot of trips. And yeah, super excited. I'm on my way right now to go pick it up. So let's see what I got, and I'll just see y'all there. So I'm on my way right now to go pick it up. I'm really excited. Kind of not nervous, but it was the day before 4th of July, and I was looking, I went to the website for this, what I'm gonna go pick up right now, and I just wanted to make sure that, you know, I was getting what I wanted and just reading the description and all that stuff. And that's when I noticed that it was on sale. It was 20% off on sale, and I wasn't ready to buy this part, this thing just yet, but it was on sale, and I was like, well, man, I'm gonna save 20%. So I did like a spur of the moment thing, and I clicked buy. So I'm on my way right now to go pick it up. Let's go see what I got. Oh my God, I'm starting to get a little nervous. I'm right down the road, my heart's beating, I'm so excited, and I think the place might be closed, but let's find out. They told me 7:30. It's 6. Told me latest is 7:30. But online it says it's closed at 5, so I'm not too sure if it's gonna be open or not, but we're right around the corner. Oh shit, this is... Well, the gates are still open, so I think I'm good. Let's go find out. Hey, how's it going? I'm here to pick up a package.
Okay, you could just go around.
Uh-huh.
And there's gonna be a ramp on that side, and you just get off and go to the office.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Let me see what... Oh my gosh, I was a little worried right there. Went to the front door. Obviously it was closed because it closed at 5. And I saw a sign that said will call, so I know what that means. So I went there, and there was a button, pushed it, and they let me in. And yeah, I'm gonna get this package picked up. They're on their way right now to drop it off. And oh my God. Oh my God. It's taking forever.
Yeah.
Oh, here it is. Here's my package. Here is my package. Oh yeah. Finally. can see, it's a pretty big package. Pretty heavy. I need some help. Actually, my buddy Evan, you know Evan, the 4Runner we worked on, he's gonna come over in a little bit, help me unload it. And I'm not sure when I'm gonna install it, but we'll take a look at what's in the package today. Let's check it out, man.
All right.
Got it.
Man, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Christmas came early.
I don't know, it's a little bit bigger than I expected, but I don't know, I think it'll be fine.
Oh yeah.
It's a little bit heavier. I think the package is like 270.
270?
Yeah.
That's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
All right, so no legs today then, huh?
Yeah. Let's just get it off and get into the house.
Sweet.
Alright guys, so if you haven't figured it out by now, or you haven't guessed of what's in this box, I guess this logo here might be a dead giveaway. What's in here is a rooftop tent. I went ahead and I bought a rooftop tent. Like I said, it was on 4th of July, or the day before 4th of July. It was on sale 20%, and I made the move. I was like, why not? I wanted it for the trip that I'm gonna have, and there's, you know, I do a lot of camping anyway, so I'm gonna be able to use this tent a lot. Not just for my upcoming trip. So here it is. It's in the house. You know, it's already kind of late. I'm not going to unbox it today. I'm going to be doing that either later this week or this weekend. And I guess, you know, you put two and two together. I did order a bed rack as well. You know, I'm going to need to put this tent on something. So I have a bed rack coming. It should be here hopefully in a few weeks. So as soon as we get that, I'll go ahead and get everything installed and show you what it looks like. But that's going to be it for today. Check y'all when I get back into unboxing the video. Alright, so I finally have some time to open the box and get a little closer look at what's on the inside. I'm excited. I've been wanting to open it since I got it. But so yeah, that's going to be it for this video. You know, once I show you what's on the inside, because first of all, I don't even have the bed racks yet. And so once I get the bed racks, I'll show you what I ended up choosing, and then I'll need to get those installed first before I even think about putting this on, because there's a little bit of cutting that's involved. I think there's some rails that need to be trimmed according to what rack it's going on, so I need to get all that done first, and then I can get this mounted. But for now, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Even Diesel's wants to take a little look on the inside, right, Diesel? You want to know what's inside the box? Huh, Diesel? So, anyways, let's get this bad boy open. Alright, so let's take a look inside the box. I'm excited. Watch out, Diesel. Yeah! Oh yeah, I'm so excited. Got the first glimpse of the tent. Oh, looks amazing! Let's see. It's like Christmas. Yeah. Alright, I think this is a moment of truth, guys. You ready? Alright, here we go. I'm excited. So here's what I ended up getting. This is awesome. So as you can kind of see, I decided to go with the orange color. Let's see if I can open it up. I think I might be able to open it up a little bit, but I think that's where I'm gonna cut it off here. I really don't want to take it apart too much right now because I'm not gonna install it. So I want to keep it as it is. I just want to give you guys a little look at what was inside the box. Here it is. Got ourselves a CVT, Cascadia, I think it is, rooftop tent. Got an orange color. I think it'll go good with the truck. But like I said earlier, that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys what was in the box. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned because I got some more things. Well, I got the bed racks coming. You already know that. And once I get those installed, or once they get here, I'll show you what I ended up going with. And I'll get those installed and then get the tent installed. And I still got a few more things I want to get for the truck for the Big Bend trip. But for now, check y'all later.